Nowadays, our environment facing different problems that we, and even the smallest form of life, is affected. One of the human activity that helps contribute to this problem is mining.
And now, let's find out the positive and negative effects of coal mining. Come on!
They say you're afraid when we're having fun. Say you must be high when we're spreading love. But we're just living life and we never stop. We got the world. We got the
Renewable energy has been widely used in the community and industry and requires more budget to invest. We must start to look for other source of energy, the non-renewable energy. Coal is the #1 source of non-renewable energy.
Underground mining is an essential part of our economy and provide us with minerals and ores for use every day. Salt, gypsum, chona, and powder ash are used as fertilizers, glass, soap, water treatment, ceramics, and many other chemical compounds. By far, the largest side of mine material is coal. Coal is located worldwide. It can be found on every continent on over 70 countries, with the biggest reserve on the USA, China, Russia, and India. Coal is used in over 40,000 products from perfume to golf balls to baking powder. Almost 70% of the total global steel production is dependent on coal. Our modern way of life is not possible without electricity. Over half of the electricity in the world is generated from coal. It is the most affordable source of power generation. Prior to the Industrial Revolution, coal mining was dangerous, back-breaking work, and has a big impact to our environment.
Destruction of landscapes and habitats.
Strip mining, also known as surface mining, involves the stripping away of earth and rocks to reach the coal underneath. If a mountain happens to be standing in the way of a coal seam within, it will be blasted or leveled effectively, leaving a scarred landscape and disturbing ecosystem and wildlife habitat.
Deforestation and erosion.
As part of the process of clearing the way for a coal mine, trees are cut down or burned, plants uprooted, and the topsoil scraped away. This results in the destruction of the land and soil erosion. The loosened topsoil can be washed down by rains and the sediments get into rivers, streams, and waterways. Downstream, they can kill the fish and plant life and block river channels which cause flooding.
Contaminates groundwater.
The minerals from the disturbed earth can seep into the groundwater and contaminate water waste with chemicals that are hazardous to our health. An example would be acid mine drainage. Acidic water can flow out of abandoned coal mines. Mining has exposed rocks which contain the sulfur-bearing mineral, which is pyrite. This mineral reacts to air and water to form sulfuric acid. When it rains, the diluted acid gets into rivers and streams and can even seep into underground sources of water.
One of the effects of coal mining is coal fires.
Fires from underground mines can burn for centuries. These fires release smoke into the atmosphere. Smoke which contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, and other toxic greenhouse gases.
Chemical, air, and dust pollution.
The huge amounts of earth and rock are brought up from the bowels of the earth. These mining wastes can become toxic when they are exposed to air and water. Examples of toxins are mercury, arsenic, fluorine, and selenium. The amount of dust generated in mining operations
can be carried to nearby towns by the wind. These dust particles can cause all kinds of health problems for humans who are exposed to it.
Methane in the atmosphere.
Coal mine methane emissions from underground mining are often caught and used as town fuel, chemical feedstock, vehicle fuel, and industrial fuel, but very rarely is everything captured. Methane is less prevalent in the atmosphere as compared to carbon dioxide, but it is 20 times more powerful as a greenhouse gas.
So ano yata karon sa CTU Bayabas, Barangay Kansuhi, ARGAO, Cebu aron mag-interview sa usa ka trabahante sa maong trabahoan. So, tara. So, may bunta kuya?
Oh, ang unang boss.
So, unsa tong ngalan kuya?
Si Buryo,
Pila edad mo?
30.
Pila na katuig trabaho sa kaning trabahoan kuya? Sa duha ka tuig mo nga trabaho kuya. Unsa may mga sakit nga nabatian nimo sa trabaho?
Dire, baga, hawak.
Nya unsa may mga solusyon nimo gibuhat aron matambalan ang moong na sinatian nimo?
Sayo na ganun, ligo lang, nabuntag. Laksan.
Ano mawala sa lain kuya? Sige kuya, salamat kayo. Good morning.
To minimize these negative effects, some practices and solutions are recommended.
Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Stop claiming what you own and think about the show. We're all playing the same game, waiting on alone. We're unknown and known, special when I clone. Hate will make you cautious, love will make you grow. Make me feel the warmth, make me feel the cold. It's written in our stories, written on the walls. This is our call, we rise and we fall. Dancing in the moonlight, don't we have it all? Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Make me feel the warmth, make me feel the cold. It's written in our stories, written on the walls. This is our call, we rise and we fall. Dancing in the moonlight, don't we have it all?
Be the change.
The world is full of challenges.
But each one of us has the potential to make a difference and inspire others.
Staring at two different views on your window ledge. Coffee is gone cold. ocean floating down, I wish it will. It's like I'm always causing problems, causing. I didn't mean to put you through this.
May buntag?
May contact ko sa may ato daw.
Ito yung mga album.
Ako si Jay-Ad. Ikaw nga lang, no? Sa mga diri daw nga.
Sura-sura yung may diri niya.
lagi.
Paasa yung pwede nga mga ano. Nasusama sa langgam.
I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle. Lying down beside you, what's going through your head? The silence in the air felt like my soul froze. Am I just overthinking feelings I can't? This gut feeling I'm trying to get off me ass. I hope we find the missing pieces and just we cannot sweep it under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, take 5!
Renewable energy has been widely used in the community and especially in industry and requires
Get low when the whistle go.